Now it is question number 11 of exercise 24H. Find the distance of the point 0, -3, 2 from the plane x plus 2y minus z equal 1 measured parallel to the line x plus 1 by 2 equal y plus 1 by 2 equal z by 3. Let it is plane whose equation is x plus 2y minus z equal 1 and the point is 0, -3, 2. We have to find the distance of point P from the plane measured parallel to a line. Means if M is the point on plane, then PM is parallel to another line whose equation is x plus 1 by 2 equal y plus 1 by 2 equal z by 3. Let it is AB. Means PM is parallel to AB, or distance of point P from the plane is measured parallel to AB. Let equation of plane let equation of line PM is x minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C. Since PM is parallel to AB, then direction ratios of PM is proportional to direction ratios of AB. Since direction ratio of AB are 2, 2, 3, two, 2, 3, and direction ratio of PM are also 2, 2, 3, and T lie on line PM. Then we have a point P0, -3, 2 on line PM, and its direction ratio are given, which is 2, 2, 3. Then equation of line PM is x minus x1, means x minus x1 is 0 by A is 2, y minus y1 means y minus y1 is -3, then it is y plus 3 by B, which is 2, z minus z1 is 2, and C is 3. It is equation of PM. Let any point on PM is 2 lambda minus 3 lambda plus 2. Then also coordinate of point M is 2 lambda comma 2 lambda minus 3 comma 3 lambda plus 2 for some values of lambda. Since point M lie on the given plane, x plus 2y minus z equal 1, then we can put x equal 2 lambda, y equal 2 lambda minus 3, z equal 3 lambda plus 2, or we can say this point must satisfy the plane. Means we have 2 lambda plus 2 into 2 lambda minus 3 lambda plus 2 equal 1. We get 2 lambda plus 4 lambda minus 6 minus 3 lambda minus 2 equal 1. 3 lambda equal 9, lambda equal 3. Coordinate of M of point M is, put the value of lambda here, we get 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 minus 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 6 comma 3 comma 11. Now we have to find the distance of point P from the plane. Which is PM measured parallel to given line. Then PM equal distance between 2 points. First point M is 6, 3, 11 and P is this. Then 6 minus 0 square, 3 plus 3 square and 11 minus 2 square. We get 36 plus 36 plus 81 72 plus 81, and we have 153, and it is answer.